Sorry. I shouldn't have laughed.
Fourth. Is it the fourth attempt now, Gaz? This? One's going to come off. It'll be a space attempt.
Heads up, please. We've got an altitude attempt on the little yellow rocket.
It's never coming back. Yeah, if this weather cocks, everyone needs to duck.
3, 2, 1.
Oh, it's better, Gaz.
Oh, it is better.
It's better.
You're never going to find it.
No. Yeah.
That's high.
I don't think that we'll ever come before. That's down to about 1 car that now. I reckon we're going to about 0.8. What's that?
Yeah.
1.
Oh yeah.
Oh.